Hey there. Are you still struggling to find topics for your website, for your blog, for your video, for your Facebook page, for whatever it is that you're trying to write so that you can connect with people, engage them, get them to know, like, and trust you? I've got another resource that you can use, and it's called Yahoo Answers, and it's free and it's on the internet. And you can do it from wherever. You just go onto the website and do some searches and find a topic for your industry or your business or your product. So let me show you. Let's go to Yahoo Answers, which you can find by just typing answers.yahoo.com, or you can do a search on Google. Just say Yahoo Answers. So as you can see, I've opened the page there. When you just open, it'll have random questions, the latest stuff or the most popular stuff that people are asking. We don't want that. We want to find our topic. So on the left hand side, down here, we can see the different categories. So let's say I'm a dentist and I'm going to write a blog post about something, whatever that I can find, so that I can engage people. Or I want to write a video and I'm not sure what to cover, so I'm here to find out what people are asking so that I can answer it. So dental, we're gonna go under health, obviously, so let's open that. Wait for it. Come on, internet. All right, so dental here. I could have gone up here into the search engine and typed dental, but if I do that, it's going to give me everything that people search for the word dental. I don't want that. I want specifically stuff that have been sitting there waiting for me to arrive under the dental section, under the category. So I click on that and wait for it again. There we go. Lots of topics there. And as you can see, you've got the questions in blue, and then you've got the date that it was done, and then how many answers already on there. We're not here to answer the questions. We're here to research the questions, find out what people are talking about, what they're interested in, what's bothering them, what they're hating, what they're whinging about, so that then we can get the topics to go on our social media so that we can do a post, or for us to write a blog post about, or do a video about. So this is what we're here for. So we can look here into the discover area where we can find topics. So the first one we see is dentist didn't prescribe painkillers and I'm in a lot of pain. So there is a good topic you can use and just answer the question. What do you do when you get home after your dental appointment and your gums are still aching? What do you take? Panadol, Nurofen, cold water, ice? What do you do? So you can write that. I'm not going to look at the answers right now because I'm not really interested in that, because I'm the professional dentist and I know my answers that I'm going to put. So I'm not really caring about what people are saying right now. But there's one that I saw earlier when I was looking this up, and like this one, I never brush my teeth but have had no problems. Am I okay? I want to see a little bit more of what this person said. So I'm going to click on show more. It says, so why brush them? And also, why have I had no problems? I have a fairly sugary diet. So there I can write a blog post about your teeth may look and feel perfect, but you still need to get a checkup, blah, blah, blah. And then give all the reasons why people need to get checked up, even if they think their teeth are perfect. Even if me as the dentist, I know their teeth are perfect, they still need to come to me, blah, blah, blah. This is the reason, bang, all done. And also, yeah, if we want to, we could make it more about the sugary diet. Those on sugary diet who have perfect teeth. Why? Why? What's the mystery behind that? Okay, the other one, agree or disagree, you should avoid brushing the teeth, the area of the teeth where there is pain or cavity. So there again, you can go and answer that. So if you scroll through, you will see a lot of information there, lots of questions people are putting. Is this normal, or should I contact my dentist? So I got my wisdom teeth pulled about 2 months ago. Feels solid. I just would like to know, is this normal? They can feel something solid, like a bone or something. So that's another thing you could write about, is if you get home, you've had your dental appointment, and then you start feeling something that doesn't feel right. What do you do? Who do you call? What time? The dentist open on Sundays. Can I still go to the dentist on Sunday? Is there a service after hours I can call, and so forth? If a baby can stick its feet in its mouth, why can't I? Oh. It's so funny. Sorry. I just thought I thought it was going somewhere else. All right. Okay. So yeah, you get the idea. I will leave you here because I think you understand how I would have done the research and how I would have gathered all the topics and then go and write about it. Any business that you're writing, there should be, I would think, definitely there should be topics on your topic there, questions that people have asked. So let's say if I want to say, I don't know, how to sew buttons, and I'm a seamstress and I want to teach people how to do it, I could just click on that and do that. Let's see what happens. Yahoo answer. There we go. How to sew a button on a shirt. Do young people know how to knit or sew on a button? So there you go. We could do a Facebook post and say, like a poll, do you know how to sew a button? Can you share your videos of yourself sewing the buttons the wrong way or the right way or whatever? So there you go. That's some of the things you can do on here. If you're not here to answer questions, you're here to find the questions so that you can put on your page, on your website, on your blog posts, in your videos, and anything that you want to prepare for your business. So thank you so much. It's Rhonda Chapman. Use Yahoo Answers. It's free. Share it with your friends. You found out today from me. If you didn't know, now you know. Thank you so much. It's Rhonda Chapman. Jump onto my website, rhondachapman.com.au/blog to find out more tips on how to write better for your business. Thank you so much.